Come on. Don't touch anything. Just give it to her.
Oh, bar break.
Rockland Park something. All right. Anyways, so yeah, it's a really nice park. It's huge. It has two separate parks, and it also has a trail to walk. It's like 2.7 miles. So we're excited for that. But the kids are excited right now to play. Arya is on the other side, and then I have Aiden right here. You gonna go there, Papa? Okay, are you ready?
Okay, Leo, wait your turn.
Oh, bye, Papa. See you later. Bye-bye. Watch it with the baby's hand. Hey, Arya. Careful.
She left her. That's the way she was gonna learn. Hold this. Because that reminded me of the sit down, Amelia, sit down, Amelia. It was like that. Yeah, because I'm like, yo, I'm saying something. Why you not doing it?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Talk to you about your dad. You need to start listening to him. Do you understand me?
Yes.
You almost hurt your face. What was gonna happen? What was gonna happen if it hurt? We was gonna have to go back home to the emergency room. Hey, you have to start listening to your dad. If you don't listen to him, you're going to be punished for a very long time. Go apologize to Daddy and tell him you're gonna be a great listener. Hi! Ah, look at you, Jack! 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 No, Jack! Jack!
You ready to do them? Okay, wait.
Yes, my son.
Adam!
Jack!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she put.
Look at my Jackie!
Ay, Papa lindo!
Watch your steps and be careful. Look where you
What do you want to do, Papa? Oh, Papa, no.
Be careful, Aya. Be careful.
Be careful, Arya.
Touch button. Touch button.
do that.
I think your dad should do that one. And do that? Are you think you're ready for it?
After you're done, I'm gonna...
I don't think you can reach. Yeah. Let me see, Daddy. Let's see. Let's see if he can reach. Daddy. Oh, it's too loose? Oh, no. But you're still doing it though.
So it's good for my
Take breaks, so I go take a break.
Guyi, be careful, okay? Arya, be careful, okay?
Guy, you got it. Don't be a big baby. Guy, you scared? That's not good. Whoa! Whoa! Game over.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Huh?
Wanna dance to the
She's in there?
from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Papa, keep going so you can look.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Oh, Arya.
Now the morning is the afternoon.
Be careful, Guyi.
Lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud
Okay.
as the hours pass.
Go ahead,
We're
Papa.
gonna do it all again.
Hi, Arya.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars.
Come, let's look at her. Look, right here. I could put you here. Hold on! Yeah! Don't let go. There you go. Yay! Don't let go. Don't let go. You can. Yes. Yes.
No more, Daddy.
More. Yay! That's it. No. More. Yes, Papa. Okay, Papa. Ready. Hold on tight.
Hurt myself and go.
Yeah! It's so fun.
Hold on, puppy.
Aiden ain't dumb. He's holding on.
Be careful, be
Ah!
One more time.
E-
He's in the ball. That's it. All done?
For his life.
Oh, done.
I got you.
I'm screaming.
Look at this cool thing. Huh? I know.
Wait, you want to come hold hands?
This is so cool.
He's so cool.
So cool. Look at that.
My name's Aden.
What's your name?
Aden.
Look at this. This is nice. And this moves too.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
When my son talks to Alexa, he goes, Alexa.
Mommy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake.
This earth so beautiful.
Say that again?
God made this
this?
earth
Nice.
so beautiful.
Right?
Yes, God made this earth so beautiful. Yeah.
I'm sorry we missed out on this.
You sad we missed out on this? Kuyi, why you sad about it? Sorry, Papa.
I like
Hi. I love you, Papa.
Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Careful.
We began to
She's
feel
a runner.
the fire.
Ah, Papa. Come next to mommy.
We rise like
Papa, you can't come here.
tall buildings, as the chemicals they take